Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to get started with Perplexity AI. Perplexity AI is an advanced tool that leverages AI to provide insightful and intelligent answers to your queries. So let's dive in. First, visit the Perplexity AI website at perplexity.ai. Now you will be greeted with a clean and user-friendly interface. To start using Perplexity AI, you don't need to create any account or sign up. You can immediately begin asking questions right before the homepage. So in the search bar, type your question or topic of interest. For example, if you want to learn about the effects of climate change, simply type effects of climate change and select enter button. Perplexity AI will quickly analyze your query and provide a detailed, well-researched response. The results are sourced from reliable references, ensuring accurate information. If you want to refine your search or get more specific results, you can use filters or add more details to your query. This helps Perplexity AI to better understand your needs and provide more targeted answers. Perplexity AI also offers a related questions section. This feature suggests additional questions related to your original query, helping you explore the topic further. To view the sources of the information provided, click on the citations or references included in the answer. This transparency allows you to verify the credibility of the information. You can also use Perplexity AI for various topics like technology, health, science, and many more. The AI is designed to handle a wide range of subjects, making it a versatile tool for research and learning. Perplexity AI is constantly improving and updating its algorithms to provide the best possible answers. Your feedback is valuable, so feel free to share your thoughts and help improve the tool. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to get started with Perplexity AI. This tool can be a powerful resource for finding accurate and detailed information quickly. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.